I'll tell you something, babe. Being a YouTuber, while it's all fun, working a full-time job and doing school is not easy, and I've been feeling pretty tired the last few days.
Don't worry, babe. I got this.
Wait,
I'm taking over.
I'm sorry, you're gonna take over?
I'm taking over.
So that means you're gonna do the whole review. I'm basically just gonna sit over there and watch you.
Exactly.
You sure you know how to do this?
I got this.
After all, you did call yourself Mrs. Technoid in the last video. You better not disappoint.
I will not disappoint. Don't worry, guys.
Alright, well, you heard it here first. You're gonna host Technoid today.
Yes. So, get out. Okay, guys. Technoid is sitting down. Mrs. Technoid is stealing the spotlight.
Yeah, not for too long.
He's tired. Let him be. All right, guys. So, we're going to talk today about the Leatherborne phone case for the iPhone. And ladies, I'm talking to you. This is a phone case and wallet. You can put your credit card, your ID, any type of card that you want to hold. And best part is, if you leave the house, here you go. And not to mention, if we talk about the features of this case, the square shape is really, really, really trendy right now. This is a square shape and it's a leather case. And not to mention, brown is really popular too. Like the color is just so fun to me and so exciting. And honestly, I've been using this case for a good 2 weeks now. And it's been really great. Like the material's been really durable. I have spilled water on it and it's been maintained really well. And it just looks like almost like a storybook. You know, it has like a little side pocket here with magnetic handles. And then you see the square shape and then you just open it. And then you have your cards, I have Leatherborne shown here. And this is my phone. It's like a nice black case. And what's cool about it too is you can do it as a phone stand. So it's really nice. I watched some movies on Netflix. So it's been really great. And I would definitely recommend this case for anybody that's interested. And like I said, this really comes in handy, especially when you want to head out of the house and just carry this and no pocketbook. So definitely recommend. Have a good one, guys.
Oh, hold on. Just a minute. Come back here, Mrs. Technoid. We're not done just yet. Okay, that wasn't bad, guys. That was pretty good. But let me ask you, were there any negatives that you would say? Any feedback?
This isn't really a negative. It's just more of a personal preference. I wish that the case itself was not black. I feel like the black color does not blend well with the brown. In my opinion, I think it should have been like a nice brown color to blend in with the brown wallet.
That's a fair point. Now, just full disclosure, guys, she has used this case more than me, so you're gonna take her word for it over what I'm about to say. But one thing I will say is that because it's a full case, you don't have access to the MagSafe charging. So you will have to sacrifice wireless charging in favor of a cable charge. But considering the quality and for $60, I think you could kind of live with that. And if I'm being really honest here, a lot of people prefer hardwire charging, but they are pushing MagSafe. So I do hope in the near future they work on a design that integrates the MagSafe with the leather case. And in terms of drop protection, have you dropped it? Has there ever been anything?
I've dropped it many times, nothing. Like my phone screen has not splattered, it's dropped, and it's nice because the top part protects the phone. So it does come in handy with protection. But MagSafe, yeah, that has been a con, I'm not gonna lie. I've had to use the manual charger to charge this.
And this is why you can't do Technoid without Technoid himself, Mr. Techie Specky over here. But anyway, guys, that was the review of the Leatherborne case. I want to take this moment to thank Mrs. Technoid for this awesome review that she did. You did really good. I'm actually very proud of you.
Sorry guys, I'm more into the fashion and the tech side.
Hey, listen, you take care of the fashion, I'll take care of the boring stuff. Want to spend a thank you to Leatherborne for being a part of today's episode. Want to thank them in advance for their continued sponsorship. As you guys know, Leatherborne, Caseborne, and Thinborne are all the same companies. Want to thank them for continuing to work with my channel, but as you guys know, they have no affiliation and no say in these reviews whatsoever. And I want to give a huge shout out to Mrs. Technoid. I mean, we could say your name, but for privacy reasons, we're going to say Mrs. Technoid. I think for the purposes. Want to thank her for her time and being also a great great volunteer. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you disliked the video,
hit the dislike button.
that helps circulate the videos as well. As always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I will see you all on the next episode. Now, if you don't mind, Mrs. Technoid, I will take my case back. Have a good day, everyone, and peace!